Difference between modes A+, W, W+, and R+ in built-in open function? In the Python built-in open function, what is the exact difference between the modes W, A, W+, A+, and R+? In particular, the documentation implies that all of these will allow writing to the file, and says that it opens the files for appending, writing, and updating specifically, but does not define what these terms mean.
The opening modes are exactly the same as those for the C standard library function fopen. The BSD fopen man page defines them as follows.
I notice that every now and then I need to Google fopen all over again, just to build a mental image of what the primary differences between the modes are. So, I thought a diagram will be faster to read next time. Maybe someone else will find that helpful too.
Same info, just in table form. Where meanings are, just to avoid any misinterpretation. Read, reading from file is allowed. Write, writing to file is allowed. Create, file is created if it does not exist yet. Truncate, during opening of the file it is made empty, all content of the file is erased. Position at start, after file is opened, initial position is set to the start of the file. Position at end, after file is opened, initial position is set to the end of the file. Note, A and A+ always append to the end of file, ignores any seek movements. BTW. Interesting behavior at least on my Win 7, Python 2.7, for new file opened in A+ mode. Write A seek 0, 0, read 1, write B second write is ignored. Write A seek 0, 0, read 2, write B second write raises EO error.
The options are the same as for the fopen function in the C standard library. W truncates the file, overwriting whatever was already there. A appends to the file, adding onto whatever was already there. W+ opens for reading and writing, truncating the file but also allowing you to read back what's been written to the file. A+ opens for appending and reading, allowing you both to append to the file and also read its contents.